This video reviews density, which is one of the properties of matter. Density is a reflection of an object's mass per unit volume. So we can write it out as a mathematical formula where mass is divided by volume. All matter has density. Density is important because it's a property that tells us one way we can distinguish between one type of material from another. Let's look at two different materials. First, let's look at a metal and compare it to wood. Both objects on the screen have the same volume. We can calculate volume by taking the length times the width times the height of an object. In this case, it's 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters, which equals 8 centimeters cubed. What makes two objects on the screen different is that one is metal and one is wood. And when we know that objects have different densities, we know that's going to be an impact on the mass that they have. Obviously, metal would be more massive than wood. Thus, metal is more dense than wood. If we substitute values in for the masses, let's say the mass of the metal was 75 grams. And let's say the wood was equal to 6.5 grams. We can calculate their densities. The density of the metal we figured by taking the mass, 75 grams, divided by the total volume, 8 centimeters cubed. Plug that into the calculator, and we can find out the value is 9.4 grams per centimeter cubed. We know that that's more massive than the block of wood, so we can calculate the density for a block of wood. The mass of the wood is 6.5 grams over 8 centimeters cubed, which is equal to 8.8 tenths of a gram over centimeters cubed. So in review, density describes the mass per unit volume of material. Metals are more dense than wood, mainly because they have more material per volume. When objects are much more dense compared to another, right, we know that their mass has to be larger. This concludes the video on density.